Hi guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today I will guide you how to sign out all other devices from your Google account. If you find this useful, please consider liking and subscribing the video. This is very useful what we will do today. Perhaps there are many old devices that have access to your YouTube account. So we will go ahead and check them and we will sign them out. We will remove their access from your YouTube account. That could be your old devices, lost devices, or the devices where you have signed in somewhere at some places. Now it's important to know that your YouTube account is a part of Google. When you create a YouTube account, you will create it with your Google Gmail account. Let's go ahead and get started. Let me close everything here first. Now on your mobile phone, please go to YouTube. Once you are in YouTube, at the right bottom, you will see your profile name icon. It's written you. So let's click on there. Once you click on your profile icon, you will get option switch account, Google account, turn on incognito, share channel. So here we supposed to go to Google account because our YouTube is connected to Google account. Once you are in Google account, please find the option security under your Google account. Let's go ahead and open security. So once you are in security tab, please scroll down at the bottom where you will find an option your devices. In your devices, let's go to the option manage all devices. Once you will come to manage all devices, here you will find all of the devices that have access to your Google account as well as your YouTube account. So let's say I want to remove any old device here and I don't want that device to access my Google or YouTube account. Let's go into that device and here we could select sign out. This will remove access to your Google account from this device. Let's go ahead and click on sign out. So that's it. We have removed device and now it's showing sign out here. I hope you find this simple tutorial useful on how to remove devices attached to your YouTube or Google account. That's it about today's simple tutorial. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care. Bye.